Hello guys, this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, and today I'm going to be showing you how to stay safe and stay home without being bored. Okay, on my previous video on how to convert your Facebook profile to page, I said something like this. Do you know you cannot see all the movies on Netflix because of your region? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can watch all the movies on Netflix, those blockbuster movies like the IP Man, the Aquaman, those blockbuster movies you don't see on Netflix. I'm going to show you how you can watch it with the same subscription. Okay, first of all, let me show you Netflix without this. Your normal Netflix, which is this. Okay. So this is your normal Netflix, and this is everything you have on Netflix. Like if I search, let me come here and search IP Man. It's not on Netflix. Okay, let me search Aquaman. It's not on Netflix, even though we know it's on Netflix. So there's a lot of series, there's a lot of movies on Netflix that you cannot see because of your region. Now let me show you, without wasting your time, let me show you. It's pretty easy. First of all, let's close this browser. Let me tell you what you need. You need ExpressVPN. So go ahead, download any VPN, but me, I use ExpressVPN. Pay for it if you have to pay for it. Use the trial version if you have to use the trial version, or if it's a free version, there's a lot that is free version. Download it, any VPN at all. Open it by use ExpressVPN, then you connect to the VPN. Once your VPN establishes a connection, cool, you're good to go. So now this VPN is connected. So let me open the same browser again. Then open my Netflix now. So this is same Netflix. So let me search for IP Man. So guys, you see I have IP Man 1, I have IP Man 3, I have IP Man 2, I have Master Z, I have Legends of the Feast. So I have a whole Grandmaster, Unleashed. So there's a whole lot of IP Man movies right now on Netflix that wasn't showing before. I have John Wick, I have a whole lot of movies that I did not see on Netflix before. So let's search something like Wonder Woman. So you can see Wonder Woman is here already. So there's a whole lot of movies you can watch right now. Who can remember this series Doctor Who? So you can also watch Doctor Who that you've not seen for a long time. Growing up, I love watching this series. So you can even search something like the Aquaman. We can search Aquaman. Cool. Here you have your Aquaman. You have a lot of movies to watch. So those blockbusters movies is not been seen on Netflix, you can actually watch it now. Stay at home, guys. Don't go out there. If you have to go out, make sure it's worth it. Stay at home and stay safe. Download that VPN, install it, connect it, and watch more movies on Netflix. So guys, if you enjoyed this movie, share it, hit like, subscribe, tell your friends to watch it too, and I will see you on the next video. And if you want me to do something, hit it on the comment section. Any video you want me to do, any tutorial I want me to see next, tell me on the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on Monday. This is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, signing out.